Exciting times ahead para sa movie lovers ang highlight ng content showcase na ibinida sa Singapore. Bukod sa Korean oppas, ipinakilala na rin sa event ang bagong Captain America. Kilalanin sa chika ni Lin Ching.
Hindi lang pambata, nakaka-fulfill din ng younger heart. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands sa Singapore para sa Disney Content Showcase APAC 2024 kung saan ipapakita nila ang mga pelikula at mga TV shows na ipapalabas sa latter part of 2024 and 2025 sa mga cinemas at sa Disney+. Mula sa critically acclaimed Shogun hanggang sa The Mandalorian and Grogu, pati sa Gannibal. Pinuno ang 5th floor ng Marina Sands Convention Center ng cute exhibits and photo pods para sa lahat na gustong mag-selfie. Matindi ang line-up lalo na ng mga K-drama starring some of our favorite Korean superstars. Tulad nila Kim Hye-soo, Kim Sun-ho, Park Yoon-bin, Ryu Seung-ryong, and Joo Ji-hoon na naka-heart-hand moment ko pa. Isa rin sa highlight ng event ang pagdalo ng Hollywood actor na si Anthony Mackie. Nakilala siya bilang isa sa Avengers bilang dating Falcon. At ang plot twist ngayon, siya na ang susunod na bibida as Captain America kapalit ni Chris Evans.
I know a lot of people might not like this. I've never read comic books.
What?
I watch every cartoon. I watch everything from Tom and Jerry all the way to Teen Titans. I have kids, I watch all the cartoons.
Paglilinaw naman niya,
I've just gotten into reading comic books, but when I got cast as the Falcon, I went back and I bought 50, 60 different comic books from the original Falcon and Cap all the way up to the new ones that are coming.
definitely daw may pagkakaiba sa pagganap niya bilang Captain America.
I don't have the serum, so the serum is very different. If you have the serum, you can fight anybody and you don't have to worry about anything. With Sam, like I said, him being a counselor, he used more of his brains than his brawn.
Lin Ching updated sa showbiz happenings.